Then the second sunnah is taswiyatu dhahrin wa unuqin wa ra'sin. It means you want to flatten your back, the wa'unukin, the nape of the neck, what is in head. Suppose this is you person, this is head, this is the nape of the neck, then this is your back. Then in the time of bowing, you want to flatten this like this. Your head, your nape of the neck and your back will be flattened. حتى تصير كصفيحة واحدة. It's like a one sheet, which looks like a one sheet. What? This is head, this is the nape of the neck, and this is the back. You want to flatten it like a sheet of one sheet, like a sheet. Want to remember this? This your head,